What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we are going to go over the last day of the trading week, Friday. It's already here. One last time of the week for us to get at it and dominate the market. So before we jump into it, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's go ahead and get into it. Guys, we got data drop tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You got consumer sentiment, and then we got the existing homes. We know that can move the market, but it doesn't matter. We sit back, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get on them. So first ticker out of the gate, guys, we're going to throw Palantir on it. Guys, I had a play in Palantir today for put. Shout out to you guys if you took that break. Man, they dropped so bad. We came all the way down to 95.60 area before they start trying to run that thing up. So, man, that was a $10 put play if you caught that break. So congratulations to all that follow. Going into this tomorrow, they tried to melt this thing up a little bit. If you are a bull, you want to see them open or take over this level at 107.45. They can do that. They're going to slowly try to boom this thing up. I had a play in there today at the end of the day. Wasn't sure if they was going to be able to do it or not, but they were slowly trying to make their way back up to this area in here at 108.60. So just ran out of time to do so, but they were definitely headed towards that way. But it was power hour, and guys, you know how I feel about power hour. The game changes in power hour. I can throw you guys levels out, all morning from 9:30 to we close, but in that power hour, that last hour, man, Wall Street takes control, and they like to throw their games in there. I stay clear of power hour. I don't trade it, but if that's a setup that you like the volatility, you like the rug pulls and all that good stuff, go at it. It's all good. You do you. To the downside, what you want to see them open lower than 103.70. If they can do that, next level down is going to be this stuff down here at 101.70. Next level down is going to be at 100.50. Next level down is going to be this stuff right here at 98.10. Next level down, boom, you got 95.70. So this play has the potential to come down. I got an area somewhere around 81 bucks. So not saying that it's going to get there. I'm saying if we get some downward momentum pushes, that is definitely an area of interest that they can push this thing back down to. We will hang tight. We will wait for that drop to happen. If it happens, the market start identifying itself, you already know we'll pounce all on it. There you go. And that one, next ticker up, newbies, beginners. I got TEM for you. With this play right here, I mentioned it in last night's video. This is one that could make money on either side, playing the bull side and playing the bear side. You see at opening, we had a bear run. They ran that thing down from 80 bucks all the way down to 72.18. And then once they started getting busy again, they ran that thing all the way back up $72, all the way back up to $77. And guys, if you paying attention to the plays, if you paying attention to the candlesticks, you watching this play, and if you trying to take this play on the upside, we ain't FOMOing, we ain't guessing the bottom and just jumping in just to be jumping in. We waiting for an engulfing candle. Nope, that ain't the one we taking. You know why we not taking that one? Because the 9 EMA, my yellow line, is still up under the 20 EMA. We waiting for an engulfing candle. This one right here. What do we see? That 9 EMA has curled above the 20, and we waiting. Soon as we get that boom boom candle, we diving into that candle right there. We jumping in it. You see it? Boom! We jumping in there. We there. We sitting at 74.55, and we riding this candle up. This candle has never violated. You see, it's riding the 9 EMA. I'd have probably got out on this candle right here. That little red candle right there. That identifies something is ready to happen in the market. We ready to have a shift change, and I would get out right there. But you guys that's scalping, that want to hold on and wait and see what's going to happen, you wait for them to start closing at that 9 EMA. Once they start closing at that 9 EMA, you know they're going to still try to press down. So if you taking profit, that would have been the area at 76.60 to take profit. That's still a $2.50 run from where you jumped in at. Still a good play. If you swing in this and you you holding longer, you go into the 15-minute time frame, you go into the 30-minute time frame, and you hold on a little longer. You wouldn't have got faked out by that closing at the 9 EMA. This would have brought you a little farther down, and you would have been able to hold on to catch that move back up and make an extra dollar on it. So, but you guys, those are different ideas, different setups for you to be able to pay attention to throughout the session and recognize them and be able to dominate on the play. So if you are a bull tomorrow, you want to see 77.35 get taken out. They can take out that right there. The next level up, they booming it to 78.60. If you scalping this, you want a sharper, more entry, you want to see them open higher than 76.10. If they can do that, the next level up in the middle is 76.65, and then you got these tops again at 77.40. On the downside, you want to see 74.70 get taken out. They can take out that next level down, 73.80. Next level down, you got these bottoms in here, 72.75, and then boom, 72.10, another heavy level. So there you go. And that ticker right there, newbies and beginners, those are two plays that you can pay attention to, put on your radar, and be able to dominate in Friday's session. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got two of them for you guys. I got the SPY up. The SPY is at 610.55 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere around 611.20. They can do that. They're going to start riding this thing up. You got 611.65, and then boom, they're going to try to run this thing back up to 613.20 before they start trying to run to the higher stuff. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than 609.90. They can do that right there. You got a level at 609.30. Next level down, 608.70, and then boom, you got 608.20. You got these bottoms right here at 607.70, and then this heavy level at 606.90. Bears can break through that. They can start running this much lower. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. We're sitting at 353.55. That's another area of interest. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 355.30. If they can open higher than 355.30, they're going to slowly start trying to run this thing up. You got 358.30. Next level up is going to be 359.80. Then boom, you got 362.71. And we'll handle in real time once they start knocking down those doors. On the downside, what you want to see them open lower than 352.80. Next level down, boom, you got 351.40. They break that, you got this turbulence right here at 350.90, and then boom, 348.65. If they break through that, you already know I'll update it before the market opens, or I'll update it throughout the session. So guys, these are a couple different plays for you to put on your radar. And once you start seeing those levels being violated, you act, you react, you jump in, you set your stop loss, and you let nature take its course. You make money. You know what, guys? I know I said that we was going to get out of here on the Tesla one, but I'm going to throw one more in the mix. I'm going to throw one that I've been paying attention to, and I think they're doing something interesting. We're going to throw Starbucks on there. Guys, we've been following Starbucks. I put this play out back when Starbucks was about $88. Look where we sitting. We sitting at 113.40. This is crazy. A crazy come up if you took those plays. But what I want to throw on here, and I'm not saying jump into this play or nothing. This is just a prospect that has the potential to make you money going up and going down. They're doing something interesting. If you scroll to the left, you see, what do you see here? 113.30. Scroll left. What happens here? 13.30. What happens? Boom, we come down. Scroll left. What happens? 13.30. Boom, we come down. Scroll left. What happens at 13.30? Boom, we come down. Scroll left. You see how many times they got smacked at this level? I mean, countless amount of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They at that spot again. So, you know, it's an interesting spot. Either they gonna open higher than this and have another run up, go on another run up, 115, 117, possibly towards that 120 area, or they ready to come back down hard, back to this 112 area and possibly even lower, 111.60. So guys, this is just a play setup that I'm paying attention to. I got my eyes on it, something that you put on your radar, and if you start seeing it either blast through that 113.30 area area, you know this thing ready to rocket and go on a run. If you see them start to reject, you already know we coming back down. So guys, that's just a little tip for you to pay attention to and how to read these candlestick formations, knowing that these are tops and they keep getting smacked every time they get at that area. So that's all I got for you in tickers. I just wanted to throw one more gem at you guys. That way, if you see it, you know what to do. All right, guys, this is the part of the video where we like to show some love. GG511, I am proud of you. I see that you are continuing to dominate the game. Man, this makes me happy to be able to show some love again. GG511 hit me with defresh. So thankful for all that you do. I had sold my first Baba options for $2,040. Then I bought some more Baba options. When you sent Baba updated levels, it helped me to stay in my trade and gain $628. I also gained profits from ADTX, 105, and AMD, $46. Trading level to level is how I was able to end my day with $2,819 in profits. Champagne bottles in the air for that. Keep those levels coming. You ain't got to worry about that. Those gonna continue to come. That's what it's all about. If I was able to help one person, mission accomplished. This is exactly why I do it. That way, when people are in calls, whether you in puts going down or calls going up, I give you those areas of interest for you to consider trimming down, or if you was thinking about getting out and we already done showed that we done broke this level and we headed to the next level, man, I ain't getting out right there, because I know Fresh said we come into this area right here. We done already took out that level. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer, but I know once it hit this area right here, he's saying heavy level, man, I'm going to pull up out of that play. And if you want to stay in that play, leave a runner or two in there to do the heavy hitting. Trim that bread off the table, preserve that money, keep growing the account. That's what it's all about. Gigi, I am super duper proud of you. Champagne bottles in the air. I'm celebrating with you. Keep grinding. So, guys, you see, we walked it down today. We wasn't playing no games, even with Palantir. I told you guys Palantir was going to try to run up, and that's exactly what they tried to do. They tried to run this thing up. For everybody else, if I didn't call out your ticker in this video, make sure you get into the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. But guys, I done took enough of your time. But hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.